Amidst the glitz and glamour of Honda's stage at the Chongqing Motorcycle Show, one name immediately stole the spotlight: the CBR500R Four. This four-cylinder sports fairing bike came as a big surprise in the mid-range class. Its silhouette exudes the strong DNA of the CBR, with aggressive lines and a 4.4 exhaust reminiscent of the Honda CBR500R and Honda CB650R. Its face is modern with wide, low and wide headlights characteristic of supersport bikes. The sharp rear end emphasizes its speed aura, yet its ergonomics remain daily friendly. The clip-ons aren't too extreme, and the foot pegs are still comfortable. This is Honda's philosophy: high performance without sacrificing urban comfort. Technically, it features a diamond steel frame, USD KYB suspension, and a 502 cubic centimeters DOHC liquid-cooled engine with e-clutch and electronic throttle. A 5-inch TFT screen and Nissan brakes complete the package. Rumors of 80 horsepower power suggest it could be a game-changer in the compact four-cylinder class. But the story doesn't end with the red camp. On the other hand, Yamaha Motor is believed to be preparing a much more emotional comeback. 2026 could be the moment that sees the rebirth of a legend: the Yamaha RD500 V4 2026 in a modern interpretation. The name RD is not just a badge of nostalgia. It is a symbol of an era when raw performance and engine sound were the true identity. The RD500 V4 2026 is rumored to feature a liquid-cooled 500 cubic centimeters DOHC V4 engine with an unconventional firing order. Its character is explosive: dense torque from low revs, then brutally explosive at high RPM. The V4 roar is sharp, wild, and full of character, as if every throttle twist is a starting signal on the race grid. This is not a tame engine for mere style. It is an engine with a circuit soul. The design blends the classic aura of the RD with the aggressiveness of modern GP. Sharp fairings, retro graphics, a boxy tank, and a pointed tail form a silhouette like a bike escaping the pit lane. The underslung twin racing exhaust isn't just for aesthetics. It's part of the weight distribution and exhaust flow performance engineering. If Honda offers rational modern precision, Yamaha promises an explosion of emotion and adrenaline. Thanks for watching.